Mr. Boissino, welcome on stage.
Thank you, and hello everyone. So Biosphere is a team of agronomists supporting companies to do the transition. So I think the RegenAg practices are well known and available online. So no need to tell you what to do, not to do. I think the full morning was dedicated to that. Just to give you an example on the next keyword, next one. So it's an example of what we've done with Andros, and you can see the results in August 22 with with conventional agriculture and what we've done in Feb and the results we got in August. So clearly the recipes are known. Quality of execution is everything. If you want to enjoy a crêpe Suzette, it's better to get the recipe of my grandmother and avoid me cooking. It's a bit the same for the transition. I think it's all about execution and what you do and the way you do it. So we do it for more than 10 years. We have an experienced agronomist. And if you go to the next slide, we'll show you a bit the way we work. So we have big names working with us, obviously, because we think that we deliver what we say. And the program that we deliver usually, it's step by step. So exploration, audit, plan, program, and scale up. And as you can see, the time iteration is quite long. So if people expect some changes next year, I don't think it's going to happen. We need to be patient. Mistakes have been done for a long time, and correction will not be for tomorrow, but we need to prepare after tomorrow. In terms of methodology, as I said, we don't start the things without a proper audit. A recipe is well known, but each ground, each soil is different. We need to have the right things to be done. You can have cover crops, multiple type of cover crops. Some of them will work perfectly, some others won't. So you need to do iterations. Next. We think that data is everything if you want to monitor what you do. So we are agnostic. We are working of all type of MRVs. Depends on clients' request and the needs of the farmers. As you can see, the data should deliver something. We believe in actions from data. So first to report at corporate level because it's a reality and we need to deal with it. But at farm level, we want the farmers to understand what's going on, to monitor what they do, and be able to adjust and do the corrections that are needed. And next, sorry, forgot the keyword. So we are almost 40 people now in experiences in 17 countries. So even being a French company with the obvious accents, we are working more and more abroad, Eastern Europe, Latin America, and Asia. We think that we need to adjust and adapt. So we do a lot of tests. And as you can see, we don't have much people doing PowerPoints and conferences. Most of the team are on the ground. And after the last one, it's the next one, Beatrice, please. All the companies that are working with us in different countries. So we are very proud of all the success we achieved with them, and we thank them for their efforts. I know most of them are blamed for greenwashing and so on, but I can tell you some large companies, they really do the things, move, and to be transparent, they put the money on the table to motivate also farmers, to train them, give them incentives, and it gives results. So thank you.